Hello kids, today we are going to see names of sea animals. So let's start. This is fish, F-I-S-H, fish. This is shark, S-H-A-R-K, shark. This is dolphin, D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphin. This is whale, W-H-A-L-E, whale. This is seahorse, S-E-A-H-O-R-S-E, seahorse. This is sea lion, S-E-A-L-I-O-N, sea lion. This is jellyfish, J-E-L-L-Y-F-I-S-H, jellyfish. This is turtle, T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle. This is octopus, O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. This is starfish, S-T-A-R-F-I-S-H, starfish. This is seal, S-E-A-L, seal. This is crab, C-R-A-B, crab. So kids, you learn these sea animals properly. We will meet in the next video.